Well, good morning and welcome back to the camp. We're here doing some more repairs as usual. I'm just getting into the demo phase and things got very interesting already. This has been a bit of a soft spot here for the last couple of years that I've known that it's been here. Actually, when we did some painting and that kind of stuff here a bunch of years ago, then we kind of found it then, but getting into some demo already. I haven't even got a quarter cup of coffee into me yet, and we're finding all kinds of issues and problems here. Which was I thought was going to be kind of a simple sill job has turned into it's going to be every bit of today and probably some of tomorrow. Definitely brought a little bit more materials than I thought that I was going to need, but I'm definitely going to need them now. So should be a fun day. Black flies is just starting to come out now a bit, so I might even have to be able to do a run for more materials. If I thought I might have been able to save these old shakes, but it's I mean they were put on very well back in the day. So let's see how the rest of the day goes. So let this be a lesson that ignoring a small little problem will turn into a very big problem. Good news is that I think I've got enough materials here that we can look after all this. But simple little windowsill started to get a little punky and rotten. That starts, this would be the southern side. We get a lot of southern rain. Comes this way, hits the sills, and then if that sill is not working or doing its job to shed that moisture, it just gets into everything. And over time, if you ignore it, this is what you end up happening. What turned out to be a small little, what I thought was just going to be a small, quick Saturday job. Anyway, I'll finish stripping out the rest of this window because it looks like I'm rebuilding frames. I'm going to rebuild sills. I'm going to be rebuilding, placing at least 2 studs, and down on the bottom. We're rotted out here on the bottom too, so we're going to be replacing a section of plate there as well. But I've got a lot of new materials, sealers, glues, adhesives, all that other kind of stuff. But I might have to run for some vapor barrier if I can't find enough. But and the bugs are getting bad, and I still got half cup coffee. So I guess I don't have enough materials after all. So I'm going to, there is a hardware store about 50 minutes away. So it's worth it for me to run over and get the supplies that I need. So. Been doing it for a while. Well, this isn't the result I was hoping for. The damage to the existing window frame, an old wooden window frame, is it's just too far gone. There's just no way I can rebuild it, and I don't have a window on hand. But I did get the rest of the wall reframed and insulated, barriered, and weatherproof. Basically, the whole thing is weatherproof now. I just got to paint it, which is great. So this will just have to be, when I do find a window, it'll be a quick demo and put it in. So I took the measurements, and let's hope Marketplace is going to be good to me.